So this is our next question of realization account, dissolution of partnership. Question is Ashok, Babu and Chetan are in partnership sharing profits in the proportion of 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6. They dissolved the partnership on 31st December when the balance sheet of the firm is under. Balance sheet, it is given sundry creditors, bills payable, and here bank and debtors. And stock, machinery, investment and freehold property. And loan from Babu means it is a loan taken from Babu by the firm, partners loan account. Then capital accounts, balance of capital accounts is given and balance of current accounts is also given. So in this question we have to prepare one current account, and after preparing current account we have to prepare one capital account also. Now these are the additional information. The machinery was taken over by Babu for rupees 45,000. Ashok took over the investment for rupees 40,000 and freehold property took over by Chetan and at rupees 55,000. It is not and, it is at. The remaining assets realized as follows: debtors, stocks and creditors were settled at discount of 7%. Office computer is not shown in the books of accounts, realized rupees 9,000. This is the asset which is not recorded in the balance sheet, but its realized value is 9,000. Realization expenses amounted to rupees 3,000. Prepare necessary accounts. Now we start from realization account, and here first entry will be two assets. All assets are recorded at their book values, and by creditors by bills payable. Partners loan account is not shown in the realization account. Always remember, only outsiders loan is shown in realization account, and partners loan account is prepared separately. So these are the basic entries, two assets and two by liabilities. Now the next entry is by bank account. Assets realized in the open market. Debtors and stock, only two assets are realized in open market and rest three assets are taken over by three partners. So entry should be given in partners current account, because current account is also maintained by the partners apart from capital account. So Babu taken over, Ashok took over the investment and Babu took over machinery. So by Babu's current account, this entry shows the machinery taken over by Babu. Ashok took over investments for 40,000 and Chetan freehold property. So freehold property's value is 55,000. And computer, yes, there is one more asset which was not recorded. So by bank it shows computer amount. Now in liability debit side, to bank for payment of creditors and bills payable, and to bank entry for payment of expenses, and rest is the realization profit which is distributed among Ashok, Babu and Chetan in their ratios. Then next account is partners current account. First of all, record partners current account balance by balance brought down. Then realization profit, this amount is recorded in the credit side. And then to realization account for assets taken over by the partners. This entry shows the assets taken over by the partners. Single entry we will pass to realization account and record in 3 columns. Amount recorded in 3 columns. Then the account is balanced. This account is balanced and the balance amount is transferred to partners capital account. These are the balances of current account which is transferred to partners capital accounts. Now here is the partners capital account. First of all, we pass the entry of to show the balance by balance brought down. This is capital balances of partners. And then the next entry is to current accounts, because the entry is partners capital account debited to partners current account. So this is the entry to current account. It shows the balances of current accounts which is transferred to this account. And the remaining is balance which is paid in bank entry. So to bank, and here is by bank. By bank shows that Chetan has to contribute 24,600 amount. He has to bring this amount in cash, and both these partners have extra amount, so they have to withdraw this amount from the books of accounts. Now next account is Babu's loan account. Okay, loan account always have credit balance. So on credit side, by balance brought down 30,000, and it is paid in through bank entry by to bank 30,000. Only single entry in debit side and credit side is passed in loan account. Then this is the bank account. First entry is to balance brought down, which shows the balance given in balance sheet. Then to realization account means assets realized. Then Chetan brings capital, more money to which gets short in his account. And here in payment side, by realization account, it shows the payments of realization account means payment of creditors, bills payable, and realization expenses. Then Babu's loan account, now loan account is paid. Then by Ashok's capital account and by Babu's capital account. This is how all the questions in this chapter. You make these questions and practice other questions also for your exams.